In the era of digital transformation, 5G and AI are revolutionizing automotive manufacturing. Each vehicle's journey unfolds with precision engineering, beginning with sophisticated CFD design techniques. As a testament to seamless logistics, materials are deftly delivered by fleets of AMRs. Though car factories have long relied on tried-and-true methods, it's the arrival of 5G and AI that's now changing the game, making the production of cars faster and smarter than ever before. Leveraging AI/HPC-powered computational fluid dynamics, engineers can simulate and analyze airflow dynamics around car designs. This helps us understand complex airflow simulations, offering smart design suggestions, resulting in cars that are both sleek and built for top performance, combining not only great looks but also optimized engineering. AMRs play a significant role in inbound shipment within the production line. The operator assigns various tasks to AMRs, which then deliver different components to workstations. These AMRs are connected to 5G, which provides wireless signals across wide areas and ensures stable connectivity during handovers, allowing AMRs to move smoothly and receive commands without any interruptions. From the smallest internal components to the overall exterior presentation, inspections are the gatekeepers of quality, ensuring that all automobiles delivered are the epitome of advanced engineering and design finesse. These tasks require skilled operators, as detecting variations in thickness and uniformity can be challenging. With 5G, we can implement a vision AI algorithm for the inspection, significantly increasing accuracy and efficiency. "5G network slicing in automotive factories isn't just a technological upgrade. It's a paradigm shift, creating a safer, more efficient, and responsive manufacturing environment. In a traditional environment with a Wi-Fi connection, automotive factories might face unstable network issues, leading to inefficiencies. However, with 5G and network slicing, factories experience enhanced, stable connectivity. This technological shift ensures efficient, reliable, and seamless operations across all manufacturing processes to revolutionize the industry. 5G and AI are not just future concepts but present-day realities, driving the automotive industry towards unprecedented efficiency and innovation. This transformation is at the heart of QCT's vision, which focuses on pioneering innovative technologies to reshape industries. QCT has diverse product lines that exemplify our strategy in integrating 5G and AI. This includes advanced infrastructure, AI-powered data centers, and edge products for various vertical use cases. Each product is designed to harness the speed of 5G and the intelligence of AI, ensuring seamless connectivity and smarter solutions across various sectors. Join the revolution in automotive manufacturing with QCT 5G AI solutions.